What's up, YouTube? I am super happy today because I got me a new wig. Some of y'all know I used to do wig reviews on this channel and I'm trying to get back into that. But lately I have been doing vendor reviews, so I think that helps the people more than these big brands. When buying from a vendor, you're basically cutting out the middleman, so most likely the prices will be a little bit cheaper. But today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from a vendor that has been popping up on my Instagram time after time after time. And I think that's because I'm in San Diego and this vendor has an actual warehouse to go shop in person in LA. And you know how your phone knows everything about you, where you at, what you into, all that. I think it was listening to me. Today we're just gonna do the initial review of the wig, see how it is, and then I'll come back on here in 2 weeks and give y'all an update. But let's get to it. So I did contact their company on WhatsApp. I did talk to Sydney. Me and Sydney had a great conversation. She told me all about their company, that they had the warehouse in LA if I wanted to make an appointment and come see the hair, feel the hair and all that, which I did not do just because I was short on time, but I will definitely do that next time. But I got it shipped and shipping came fast, by the way. I showed her the screenshot of the wig I wanted from their Instagram page, and she basically just asked me what size cap and how thick I wanted, and she took me through the different qualities of hair that they provide. I went with the luxury quality, the one in the purple. What really got me was this wig, this blonde wig that I saw on their page. It was blended, y'all. Like, it was no choppy color, and it curled, okay? They come in body wave. The last vendor I tried to review, their color hair only came in straight, and I was so disappointed. But yes, I could finally get some nice color hair that holds a curl. The HD lace was real HD lace. The knots were kind of light, but I definitely wanted them lighter. Be careful that you don't bleach these knots too long, or you make sure you use a low developer because they bleach fast and very light, so be careful. Okay, let's go back over the information about the wig. This is a 24-inch body wave frontal wig, 13x4 frontal wig to be exact, HD lace. The HD lace is HD lacing, okay? Amen. And I'll put their WhatsApp number down below. You're gonna be talking to Sydney. Now make sure you tell them Ree sent you, R-E-E, that's my name, Ree, redefine Ree, me. I did get this unit for $333, so I personally think that it's worth it. Like, for me, I would sell this, honestly. The hair is nice and the blend is nice, like, and you could curl it. You know, that was my last problem with the last vendor I tested. But my overall experience from this one wig that they sent, they got some good hair. I don't know about any other wigs from them, but their colored hair, if you ask for some good quality hair, send me good quality hair, because I think they have different levels of the hair quality, which would definitely determine the price, you know? So I would give this vendor a... I can literally give them a 10 out of 10 from this wig. From this wig, I can give you a 10 out of 10 because this is nice. And it's like, I don't even remember what density I got, but this is perfect. Like, this is perfect. This is perfect. Okay. Yeah, but as I said before, this is definitely good quality where I would use this as a personal vendor and to sell, since for colored hair so far. Good morning. It's super early, but this is a low check-in. This is day 5 of this install. Still looking good. All I've been doing is wearing those rollers at night and hot combing the top because that's my go-to. I be working, y'all, so I don't really be having time to style my hair. But I think next week I'll do a style. I'll have some time. But yeah, I just want to do a quick little check-in to show you how week 1 is doing. But yeah, I'll be back on here with a part 2, giving you a report of the hair quality then in 2 weeks. So yeah, that's about it. Bye.